Hello to Mira's sweet family and Rumi's rock family. We're moving in! Hurry up, it's time to unpack the rooms. Oh, wow, it's so cute here. I want to live here. Teddy, do you like it? And where am I supposed to live?
Huh?
This room is kinda meh.
Ooh.
That's so unfair.
What?
Hey, be careful up there. My parents are downstairs.
And we're up here.
I've got the worst room ever. Hey, don't be sad. We can totally fix this.
Okay.
Hi, I'll help you. Let's tidy everything up well. Wow, this is actually fun. A few moves and the room is shining. Wow, way better. But the floor looks so old and worn. My friend Lally already has something ready.
Yes.
Let's decorate the floor using a gift bag.
Unbelievable.
So cool. Let's do something with the walls too.
Huh?
Look what I've got. Lally touch.
Wow.
I'll decorate the wall edges with a chain. We'll attach it using pins. I'll turn it into a bold garland. That's totally my vibe.
Woohoo!
And I want to put my bed right here. As you wish, gorgeous. How do you like this base? Let's pour slime in here. So Lala style.
Yes.
To keep the slime from sticking, I'll cover it with wrap. Nice, it's so squishy. It'll be so fun to jump on it. I'll attach a leg. Paw pads instead of pillows. It needs more edge. Wow, much cooler now. Let's add a logo and Roxy's favorite toy. A perfect interior craft.
Yay!
Wow, amazing. Everything is so soft and sticky. I already love my room. It's the perfect time to lie down and relax. We can wish the doll sweet dreams. Oh, what are those sounds? Wow! Where is this music coming from? Please, can you turn it down? The sound is terrible. Sorry. We didn't mean to bother anyone. Does it really sound that bad?
Hey!
You just need a new speaker. Lalulu knows exactly what to do. Cut out openings, then wrap the plastic base. Next, I need a stand from a balloon. We'll turn it into a support leg. 2 speakers for stereo sound. Look, they even light up. Lalulu, you've got such imagination. I hang a curtain in the back, and real stars definitely need a stage. Hop! Awesome! Let's light it up, darling. Mom, Dad, I'm joining you. I'm so proud of my dolls. The Rock family is having the time of their lives. Oh, someone's meowing. There's a kitty! Hey, where are you going? Come here! What happened?
Huh?
Derpy got scared by the loud music. Honey, look, there's a kitty.
Where? Huh? What? Oh, poor thing, come here. Just look at this fluffy cutie.
He is so cute. Oh, such a sweetheart. Looks like he's planning something. Oh no, Derpy! Furniture is not a toy.
So much for being cute.
This is amazing. Thank you, Lalulu.
Wow!
I live in this myself.
The kitty can't wait to try the new fun. Derpy is thrilled with his new house. You're so adorable. Poor thing. The fluffy one got tired and fell asleep. So cute. Now I want to get into the house too. Oh, the perfect spot for me. Oof. Well, that was... I guess I'm not a kitty after all. I'll go check on Roxy. Hi, bestie. What are you doing? Whoa, you have so many outfits. But I have nowhere to hang them all. Woo! Lalulu, we need help! Say no more. I have an idea, and I couldn't not try it. Place a pencil on a sharpener. have here? This cute kitty will totally appeal to Roxy. Coat it with clear glue. You need to work with it carefully. Wow! Now it's a real flying cat. An original hanger is ready. Next, I need a 3D pen. Roxy loves purple. Insert the cartridge. Using a base, I shaped the hangers. They turned out super comfy. Dress the dolls and hang their outfits. You can't buy this in a store. Exclusive from Lalaaloo. Now all the clothes are in one place. Wow, that's so cool.
Oh my!
I want to try something on. The sundress will suit you. Wow, thank you.
Ooh.
It's adorable. And what do you think of my look?
Huh?
Slay queen. You girls are such fashionistas. Let's have a photo shoot in different outfits. My dolls are so photogenic. I've got an idea. What? We need makeup.
Oh.
What are we waiting for? Look at this.
Woohoo!
Want me to do your makeup? Sure, let's do it. Use a brush. Done. Wow, thank you. So did I do well? You did great. I want to see it already. This is incredible. I tried my best. Now it's my turn. Close your eyes. Okay. I'll use the beauty blender. Done. Write in the comments if the makeup turned out pretty. I'll need a pen. It doesn't work. Hey, that's better. I cut off the fur and slid it off. It's so bright and fluffy. Grabbing a drinking straw. Aha, a purple one. Snipping off just the right piece. Exactly the length of the fur strip. Adding some glue. And wrapping the fur around. Perfect. What's this, a birthday candle? Removing the holder. Attaching it to the bottom. Fluffing up the duster. Decorate with a hair tie. Comment, make it easy, if you think this craft was simple. It's perfect for cleaning. Mira's on it right away. Soon it'll be all sparkly. Oh, what's that noise? Rumi just turned the vacuum on. Cleaning's more fun when there's music. Careful, don't suck up to the little raccoon. Rumi can't hear or see anything. Oh, my ears! Yep, the music is way too loud.
Aha!
I've got an idea. Let's see if Rumi even notices. Huh? Hey, why'd it stop? Nice prank, bestie. Mr. Spider, time for you to move out. Looks like it tickles the spider. And done. Everything's neat. Yay, I did it!
Woo!
Rumi's tackling the floor next. Oh, that vacuum is so strong. 1, 2, done. We did it! But the walls still look rough. Easy fix. Let's start with a quick unboxing. I'll open this packet. There's a plastic container inside. I'm cutting it right in half. Poking a hole in it. Giving it a coat of pink paint. Now I'll pick out the perfect wire. Bending the tip into a hook. Threading it through as a handle. Time to fill it up with some light clay. Now let's cut out a label, sticking it right onto the bucket. For the rollers, I'll use textured foam paper. Attach it to a handle. Done! Girls, these are for you. Look! One side for Rumi, the other for Mira. Let's do this! Each girl grabs her color. Let's paint. Mira's going super careful. It's turning out so neat and pretty. These two are working non-stop. I'll give them a little help. Wow! Rumi and Mira are thrilled! Is it bath time already?
Wow!
First, let's get you changed. Much better. Filling up the tub. Let's get the doll settled in. Water's nice and warm, nothing to be afraid of. Time to add some bubbles. Woohoo! Washing your hair gently. Ugh, so much paint. Voila! Sparkly clean. Let's pop some cucumber slices on her eyes. What are you doing in here? A jacuzzi? That's awesome! Lalaaloo, I want to relax too. I've got just the idea. I'll need a LOL capsule. taking it apart piece by piece. Painting the base purple. Perfect. Closing off the sides. Cutting a strip of sparkly foam paper. Wrapping it around the body. Snipping a piece from some old leggings. Sewing it on the machine. Stuffing the cushion with filling. And just like that, we've got a comfy little sofa. Attaching it to the leg. Decorating with glittery foam and sequin trim. Totally Rumi's vibe. Cutting out some speaker shapes. These cool speakers will be perfect for a party. Let's place it in Rumi's room. It looks awesome, but still missing something. Aha! Let's hang up some edgy posters. Time to show Rumi her finished room. And here's a special gift. Ready for this season's biggest hits?
Yeah.
Let's crank it up. A rock room! Woohoo!
Yay!
Let's take a bow to your imaginary fans. Maybe she'll write her next hit right here. She's seriously good at guitar. Your place looks like so much fun. Can I join you?
Yay!
Living with your best friend really is the best. Uh-oh, Mira's tummy is rumbling. Lalalu, we're hungry. How about some pizza, cuties? I'll need some light clay to make it. Mixing a few colors. Flattening it into a round base. Shaping the crust around the edges. For the sauce, I'm using some gel polish. Each bestie gets their own flavor. Time for the toppings. Piling on all the yummiest bits. Curing it under the lamp. Squeezing out cheese from a 3D pen. Spicy chili goes on Rumi's half. And marshmallows on Mira's side. Printing out a pizza box. Packing up our finished pizza. Bellissimo! Let's throw the girls a cute little pizza picnic. Yay, food time!
Yay!
Take a seat, girls.
Yippee!
Here's your delicious treat. Grab a slice.
Wow!
Something tastes weird.
Ew!
I don't like this either. Ha, I figured it out. The girls accidentally swapped sides. Now this tastes right. So yummy. Phew, I'm so tired now. And she can't seem to find a comfy spot. Don't worry, Lalalu's got this. You need a lounge chair. Colored pencils will make the perfect base. Spreading some pink glue. Sticking the pencils together. I needed 8 of them. Shall we play the drums? Straws are for another purpose. They'll make a comfy backrest. Let's take the scissors with plastic handles. Split them apart. Repainting them pink. Gluing them to the sides. The rubber paws make perfect little armrests. Subscribe and tap the bell if you loved these craft materials. Wow, it's so pretty! I'm so glad she likes it. She's already dreaming of sunbathing.
Yay!
These little paws are so fun to play with. Adding an umbrella to block the sun. And a yummy cocktail too.
Wow!
Now this is relaxing. Nothing beats soaking up the sun. But Rumi's got other plans. Why are you just lying around? What about the other rooms?
Hey!
Huh? Rooms? Yeah, they're not finished yet. Then what are we waiting for? Let's do this. Let's take a look together. What's missing?
Ooh.
This part's fine. But that corner's a bit empty. Aw, it turned out so sweet. I'll hang a portrait of me. It's just lovely, but the jacuzzi doesn't really fit here. A soft couch will be much better. Cool, but I want karaoke.
Okay.
Your wish is granted, Rumi. Now it's time to enjoy your hobby. Thanks, Lalalu. What about my side? A shelf full of cute trinkets. A little table lamp, and some plants here and there. Mira's living room is now super cozy.
I like it. Wow.
Can I have a shelf right here?
Please?
Of course, Rumi. Adding the shelves. Mini Rumi is gonna live here. The cat's gonna love the green corner. A soft, fuzzy rug completes the look. This is super cool! I really tried, darling. The girls are loving their rooms. Rumi's got the rock side, and Mira is super cute. Now it's party prep time. Rumi brought all her stuff. She's got a lot of clothes. Where am I supposed to put all this?
Oopsie.
Every girl needs her own wardrobe. I'll make a rack using plastic straws, reinforcing them with wooden skewers, cutting off the extra. I'll need 4. Using clips to hold it all together. Great! Adding horizontal bars at the top and bottom, and securing them all with wire. Decorating with glittery foam paper and metal studs. Hanging up the mini hangers. All of Rumi's outfits will fit right here. Now her clothes won't be lying everywhere.
Nice.
I'll help hang them up.
Thank you. Wow.
I wish I had a rack this cool.
Uh-huh.
What should I wear when the guests arrive? Maybe this one? Or that?
No.
Honestly, Rumi looks good in anything. Thanks. And here comes Mira.
Hi.
So, are you ready yet?
Oh no. Lalulu, I need a makeover first. Help, help.
A cutie like her needs a vanity table for sure. Let's start with a mirror. Adding pearl bulbs for that glam touch. Gluing it to the tabletop. Adding glue to the legs. Tiny doll-sized dresser. Setting the tabletop on top. It's a total dream vanity.
Wow.
Let's do her hair. Mira can't wait.
Woo.
Adding a bit of gel. Can you help me? Of course. Brushing her hair gently. This doll's really gorgeous. But we're going next level.
Excellent.
Adding some pink eyeshadow.
Wow, thank you.
Let's freshen up her lips too. And a couple drops of her favorite perfume. Mira is loving her new look. I'm such a cutie.
Nice.
And Rumi is already here. Well, you ready?
Uh-huh.
Let's go party. The guests are already here. Let's welcome them.
Huntrix is back together.
So, what should we do?
How about watching something on TV?
But we don't have a TV.
I've got an idea. My old phone is totally broken. Oops, a spider. While brushing away the cobwebs. There we go. I'm wrapping the case in fluffy plush. Gotta leave a little window for the camera. Decorating with bright ribbon and teeny tiny paws. Aw, how cute is that? I've got a big paw charm too. It's so soft. Opening a mystery bag. Oh, there's a squishy cat inside. Gluing the toys onto the case. Now it's a proper stress reliever. Final touch? Tiny pom-poms. This is way better than anything from AliExpress. Perfect for watching Lalulu videos. New homes and old friends. What could be better? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.